This how-to video is going to be kind of an overview of what active information is and just what goes on in there, what you see from the system side. So from your welcome screen, you want to select the core software, 1000. And essentially what we're trying to be is right here, active information. You can select that there, or you can select it here, either way. From what you can tell, see here, I've got items are already active. So this tells you what the station name is or the device name, right? So I got a call station and a PSM. These indicators are what type of monitoring point it is. So as you can see here, I've got an alarm, a process, and a sampler, which is a count. And here's another alarm. So this tells you the name of each one of those monitoring points. So this is a team lead alarm. This is they're in production. This is a count. And then this is a materials call. This tells you when it started. So for my purposes right now, so it started at 1:30, and this is today's date. Over here it gives you a duration, so this is how long have each one of these been active or set, I guess is more the correct terminology. And then this tells you the state. So this is a team lead call, so it's been set. This is production and account, so they're active or they're not active. Then this materials call has been set. Any data fields, so there's a job number data field that's associated with this production. So that's what this is showing you here is what they entered in for the job number. And then this is just showing the total count. So as count goes up, that number will increase. So by default, this page is set to refresh about every 15 seconds. So if you don't want it to do that, you can just click this icon and that'll stop the refresh, and that'll just be stationary. It won't actually refresh any of the data. And then you can always just manually refresh it if you need. The other options that are on here is if you click the headers here, it's going to sort the information by, let's like, so this would be by numeric order. This one would give you by alphabetical order, right? And then this is by type, obviously alarms first, so forth and so on. You can do that all the way down the line. The other thing you do is you can limit what you see on this page. So you only want to see the alarms because then you're not interested in the processes going. You just want to know what alarms are set. Click that here, so now it filters out. All you see is the alarms. The other thing is I just want to see the processes. So now I only have production, and then obviously the other one is the counts. Count, I can filter that out. See what I can do is just first all. And if you want this to go back to refresh, that now it'll automatically refresh every 5 to 10 seconds. That will conclude this video on the active information overview, and I look forward to talking to you again.